Good morning, students. Standard 8th, Subject Maths, Chapter 14, Factorization. Now next, third one, factorization using identities. Remember some identities to factorize the expression. A plus b whole square, that is a square plus 2ab plus b square. A minus b whole square, it is a square minus 2ab plus b square. And a plus b, a minus b is a square minus b square. We can see the different identities from the same expression. 2x plus 3 whole square, that is 2x square plus 2 multiply 2x plus multiply 3 plus 3 whole square. 2x whole square is 4x square. 2 multiply 2x multiply 3, that is 12x, and 3 whole square is 9. Same as 2x minus 3 whole square, 2x whole square minus 2 multiply 2x multiply 3 plus 3 whole square, that is 4x square minus 12x plus 9. And 2x plus 3, 2x minus 3, it means first 2x whole square minus 3 whole square, that is 4x square minus 9. Now let us understand with example. Factorize 9x square minus 24xy plus 16y square using identity. First, write the first and last term as squares. 9x square, that is 3x whole square, and 16y square, that is 4y whole square. Now split the middle term. 2 multiply first term multiply last term, that is 2 multiply 3x multiply 4y. So first term is 3x whole square, that is a square. Last term 4y square, that is b square. And in middle term 2 multiply a multiply b, that is a square minus 2ab plus b square equal to a minus b whole square. This is 3x minus 4y whole square. Hence the factors are 3x minus 4y multiply 3x minus 4y. It means 2 times because here exponent is 2. So 3x minus 4y whole square, it means 2 times 3x minus 4y. Next, fourth one, factors of the form x plus a and x plus b. X plus a multiply x plus b formula, x square plus in bracket a plus b multiply x plus a multiply b. Now example, x square plus 3x plus 2. If we compare it with the identity x plus a x plus b equal to a x square plus a plus b in bracket x plus ab. Now here a plus b equal to 3 and ab equal to 2. So this is possible when a equal to 1 and b equal to 2. Substitute this value into the identity. X square plus 1 plus 2x plus 1 multiplied 2. So x plus 1, x plus 2. Come to the exercise 14.2. Factorize the following expression. Now you have to put up the identity. Now a square plus 8a plus 16, that is a plus 4 whole square. Why? First term is a whole square, 16, that is 4 whole square. In between 2 multiply 4 multiply a. So our answer is a plus 4 whole square. Identity x plus y whole square. Same as second one, p square minus 10p plus 25. So this identity is x minus y whole square. X square minus 2xy plus y square, that is p minus 5 whole square. Same as third one, 25m square plus 30m plus 9. First term is the square of 5. Last term is the square of 3. And in middle term, 2 multiply first term multiply last term. So first term and last term. In bracket, 5m plus 3 whole square. Fourth one, 49y square plus 84yz plus 36z square. 49 is a square of y 7 and 36 is a square of 6. And in between middle term, 2 multiply first term multiply last term. So that is 7y plus 6z whole square. Same as fifth one, sixth one, seventh one, eighth one. Same as you have to follow the factorize for identity. Now question number 2. 4p square minus 9q square. In this here 2 term only given. First term is a square of 2 and last term is a square of 3. So here a square minus b square So using identity x square minus y square, that is x plus y, x minus y, it means one is negative, another one is positive. So 2p minus 3q and 2p plus 3q. Same as second one, 63a square minus 112b square. Here we have to take a common factor, that is 7. Then in bracket 9a square minus 16b square. 9 is a square of 3 and 16 is a square of 4. So first term minus last term and first term plus last term. 3a minus 4b and 3a plus 4b. Same as 49x square minus 36. 49 is a square of 7 and 36 is a square of 6. So 7a plus 6, 7a minus 6. Same as fourth one, you have to follow the a minus b, a plus b identity. Same fifth one, L plus m whole square and L minus m whole square, in between minus sign. So you have to take first one minus and second one is positive. Then open the bracket, minus L plus L is cancelled and minus m plus L m is cancelled. So here 2m and here 2L. 2 2s are 4ml. Same as sixth one, a minus b whole square. A square minus b square, that is a minus b, a plus b. Same as here, x square minus 2xy plus y square, that is the identity, that is x minus y whole square. Then x minus y whole square minus z square. So identity x square minus y square, that is x minus y and x plus y. Same as eighth one. Now come to the question number 3. Factorize the expression. Now you have to take a common factor, ax square plus bx. X here common factor, remaining is ax plus b. Same as second one, 7p square plus 21q square. Here 7 is common, remaining is p square plus 3q square. Same as third one, same as fourth one, fifth one, sixth one, seventh one, eighth one and ninth one. This question you already done in exercise 14.1. Now next one, question number 4, factorize. This one is same as factorize question number 2 with whatever you already done. Now here exponent is 4 or power is 4. So power, you have to split the power. 2 2s are 4. So a square then square minus b square then square. It means here identity a square minus b square. It means one is negative, one is positive. A square minus b square, a square plus b square. Now here a square minus b square. Again you have to split the identity a minus b, a plus b, a square plus b square. Come to the second one, p raised to 4, that is p square raised to 2 and 9 square. So first one is negative, second one is positive, p square minus 9 and p square plus 9. Now 9 is the square of 3, so p square minus 3 square. Here again you have to follow the identity a square minus b square. It means a minus b, a plus b. So p minus 3, p plus 3, p square plus 9. Same as you have to follow the identity in third one, fourth one and fifth one. Come to the last question number 5. Factorize the following expression. P square plus 6p plus 8. Now here you have to follow the identity x plus a, x plus b, that is x square plus a plus b multiply x plus a multiply b. Now here a plus b is 6 and a multiply b is 8. So you have to follow the 2 plus 4 equal to 6 and 2 multiply 4 is 8. So p square plus 2p plus 4p plus 8. Now you have to take group. First term p square plus 2p is a one group and second group is a 4p plus 8. In first group p is a common factor, in second group 4 is a common factor. In between p plus 2, p plus 2. So our required factor is p plus 2 in one bracket and in second bracket p plus 4. Same as second one, in bracket 10 is a plus b and 21 is a multiply b. So a is 3 and b is 7. So q square minus 3q minus 7q plus 21. So which one is a common factor? that is q minus 3 and q minus 7. Same as third one. A plus b is 6 and a multiply b is 16. So 8 minus 2 equal to 6 and 8 2s are 16. P square plus 8p minus 2p minus 16. So our required factor is p plus 8 and p minus 2. Now student, here exercise 14.2 is over. Thank you.